Hey guys, this is Karen Can Rocket, and today I'm going to show you what's inside my hospital bag and my baby's bag. Here's my hospital bag, and this bag is from Henry Bendel, which I completely recommend. It has a bunch of space, and on top of that, it has wheels on the back, and it has this thing right here where you can just roll it around the hospital. It also comes with a key and a lock, which is right here. And not only I can use it for my hospital bag, but I can also use it as a carry-on bag whenever I travel again, maybe next life. Alright guys, so the first thing I have here is my clothing that I'm gonna wear at the hospital. So I'm gonna take two maternity bras, which I bought this ones I believe on, I don't know. So I'm gonna take these two maternity bras just in case I'm leaking too much and I get one dirty. Milk, mama. I'm gonna take my granny panties. God, oh my god, I cannot believe I'm gonna wear this. Look at this. Look at this thing. I don't like, I guess I'm gonna take 3 of this because I don't know how many days I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna also take my outfit, which is just a black shirt and a black long skirt, and my Gucci slippers. I'm also taking some socks for the hospital, which is these ones are my favorite. I love this. I got them last year, I believe, and they have little hearts. Some slippers for me to wear at the hospital in case I need to like walk around. One thing that I really wanted to bring to the hospital is this bag, which it came with the hospital bag. So it's huge, and this one I'm going to use for my dirty clothes or for anything that gets dirty during my stay at the hospital. Other item that I have in my bag is all my makeup. Look, I don't know how active I'm gonna be, how conscious I'm gonna get to the hospital, but I'm definitely taking my makeup just in case I have time to do it, or if I have time to do it after I have the baby for pictures and all that cute stuff. Because you never know how long you're gonna stay at the hospital. I'm definitely taking all my shower stuff. So I got this bag from Henry Bendel as well. And this bag, you can hang it in the bathroom, in your room, wherever. And I put all my toiletries in here. I have mouthwash, toothpaste, toothbrush. Of course, I have my Fresh and wiping. I have my face products that I use to like wash my face and moisturize. All my things to take a bath. My oil, which I completely heard that the oils are like essential to giving birth. And I'm definitely taking like all my other hair products in case I need to glam up at the hospital, because you never know, of course, because Karen can rock a pregnancy. So I'm gonna take my flat iron just in case I arrive to the hospital not glam up. I can do my hair there. Of course, this is if I'm feeling like amazing, right? Another things that I definitely take into the hospital is my headphones, my prenatal vitamins, because you're supposed to take them even after you give birth. Now that I'm trying to get pregnant again. My nipple butter. So this butter is helps you, because if you don't know, now you will know, and you're gonna get traumatized for the rest of your life like I did. So if I'm able to breastfeed and everything goes according to plan, I'm gonna be breastfeeding so much. I believe it's like every 2 hours, I think, not quite sure. The baby's gonna be sucking on my nipples so much that they're gonna start bleeding. So I need to use this around my nipples so it doesn't hurt as much. Kill me now. Alright, and also I'm gonna take my nursing pads just in case I'm like super milky and I'm licking all over, and I just put my nursing pads on my bra and helps keeping the milk where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna bring my face mask, which this cute little thing that my sister got me, and it says napping for two. So I'm just gonna put it on and say goodbye to the world for a while. It is this thing that I bought, and this is to massage your back, and this little balls that you see here, they feel like so cold and it feels so good and I love it. This home's dirty, so he's gonna get this and massage my back. Of course, we cannot forget my wallet with my ID, my insurance card, my home's credit card, my debit card, and all the essentials that I'm gonna need. I'm gonna bring the phone with me, my camera, my phone charger, and the camera charger. That way I can share with you the whole pregnancy stuff. Oh, how excited! Becca, Juliana, you better come. You better come soon, honey, because Mama can't wait any longer. I'm gonna bring this board. So when Beckham Juliana is born, we're gonna put like Beckham Juliana or BJL, and then like weight, what else? Weight, time, and I don't remember. I need to go back to Pinterest and look at the picture. But I'm gonna put just like a cute little message here, and we're gonna take a picture holding the baby, me and Holmes and the baby, and it's gonna be so cute. And I got this on Amazon just in case you want to get the same board. Now for the baby's bag, this is my diaper bag for Beckham Juliana. It is the cutest thing. It's from Gucci and I love it. First we have this little puffy thing. And you might wondering, what is this thing and why does she have it? Or you probably don't even care. In case you do wonder, it is a hand sanitizer. So when you come to see the baby, you can just dump some in there in your hand and clean your hands. And it smells so good. So what's inside here? So I'm bringing not one, not two, but 4 burp cloths, and this is for when you're holding the baby and the baby needs to burp and something more than a burp comes out. Yeah, so I'm bringing 4 of this because we all know that the baby is gonna be eating so much, so that means that I'm gonna have to burp the little cute thing every time. This is just a sunglass case, but I'm using it to put her little baby stuff, you guys. So her little mitten, bringing her little socks for her first outfit, and this headpiece. I don't know if she's gonna be wearing it or what's the deal with that, but we'll see. I'm also putting here just baby cloths, just for any reason that I need to like clean her mouth after breastfeeding her, or maybe she has runny nose. I don't know, you guys. This is my first time. So, if I'm bringing too many stuff, please don't tell me. I don't care. Let me enjoy it. I bought this a long time ago at Target from Itsy Ritsy. And this is a feeding thingy that you just put.
Oh, hell no.
You put this here and you feed the puppy. I mean, and you feed the baby, right? So if people come into the room, they don't have to see me breastfeeding. I can just be breastfeeding and talking to them. And this helps to cover. So it's a cover up for breastfeeding. I'm also bringing this custom-made blanket that we got from Holmes's aunt. She is so sweet. She got us this blanket for Beckham. And it says Beckham. Look how cute. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it says Beckham right there. And it's gorgeous. It's so soft and pretty. The baby's outfit, you guys! I do not remember who gave me this outfit. We've been getting a lot of outfits. I have not yet bought an outfit for baby Beckham because we've just been getting so many that I don't think I need to buy any baby clothes yet. So let me show you what I got. This we did get on Etsy, and this is a little hat for when she's born, and it has her initials, BJL, Beckham Juliana Lily. Oh, so cute. And then we have her little pants that ready I'm gonna cry. How cute, you guys. And this one, it says I'm new here. Everett gave me this cute little onesie with the pants Thank you so much. If you gave me this outfit, please let me know. I want to send you something special just because it's gonna be her first newborn outfit. I wanted to put her with something more like creative and cute and stuff, but I want her to be as comfortable as possible. And because I was gonna put her this, let me show y'all. I was gonna put her like a skirt like this that is for like newborn. So I really wanted to not like put too many stuff around her and just give her like a simple cute outfit. And I think that I'm new here, it is the cutest thing ever because she is so new to all of us. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more baby stuff soon. Thank you for watching. Karen K Rocker. I'll see you guys on the next video.